control of internet activity through a nationwide web control system. News outlet Coda Story says it's gained exclusive access to documents showing that Islamabad contracted a Canadian company called Sandvine to help build the system. The surveillance infrastructure would monitor all of the country's incoming and outgoing internet traffic. DW's very own Umar Ali was one of the reporters who worked with Coda Story on the investigation. Umar, tell us a little bit more about what you found.
Yeah, so I would start with saying that this is an unprecedented move in Pakistan in this current environment. And the system in general aims at curbing grey traffic, which some experts say might also include encrypted messaging services like WhatsApp. And they also say that the equipment provided by Sandvine is capable of redirecting and blocking the internet traffic in real time, meaning the government can essentially intercept the internet traffic at any point and can do anything with it. And like previously in Egypt and Turkey, in fact, the same technology has been used to install spyware in the user's devices. And I would also like to add that the same technology, which Sandvine is providing in Pakistan, has been used in China as well, where the government can filter out certain keywords and the content containing certain keywords and block access to websites in real time. So after all of this, the system also raises concerns about privacy, because the government and some private companies will now have access to the internet data from millions of users in Pakistan.
Now, Pakistan is a democracy, but last year, Voice of America was blocked in the country, and a few times in the past we've seen YouTube also blocked. And most recently, I believe a Committee to Protect Journalists member was kicked out of the country. What's going on here?
Yeah, so things have indeed changed.